channel. My name is Kirsty if you're new here. Today I'm going to be coming to you with a wig review. My first wig review, I think. Yeah, my first wig review. So this is how I have my hair done. I just blow dried my hair. I know how to do braids, but I can't braid my own hair. So, well, I can't braid it well. So I blow dried my hair and then I just have these little ghetto plait type of things going on. I'll show you the back a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So it's there. It's definitely not super nice, but it's there. So I've got my two braids here. This is typically how I do my hair if I don't have like cornrows in and I need something that's going to be flat so that I can put my wigs on. This is usually my go-to style, and then I will just crisscross them in the back for when I put on my wig cap. Okay, so this is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. This is the Harlem 125 True Line Lace Wig. I don't know if you can see it. And then the style number is THL03. And then this one is in a color 4. Now, I did not buy this wig. My mom actually bought it for me for my birthday because I liked the one that she had on that was just like this. So she bought me one. So I'm really excited to put it on. I haven't really opened it up and played with it much yet because I wanted to do a full unboxing and like full review of me putting it on. So it's been sitting in my room for about a month now. And so I'm finally getting around to making the video. So this is the wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging. So let me get the netting off of it. And the thing that really drew me to this wig when my mom had it on is the hairline. The parting space was so nice. And this is a synthetic wig. This is not human hair, but the hairline was so nice on this wig. I was either gonna steal hers or something, so she got me one. So let me see if I can. So here's how the wig looks straight out of the box. Move the card. So it's kind of got a little bump on the ends. It's got pretty good density too, and this is in a color 4, like I said, so it's a light brown color. I think that looks better on my skin tone anyway, since I am pretty fair skin. Sometimes dark hair just kind of makes me look really ghostly. So here is a close-up of the hairline, and this probably won't even do it justice because the hairline is so nice. Like, look at that. And the lace is really nice too. I think it's what type of lace is it? It's let's see. It says illusion hairline, so like transparent is what that means to me. And then it also has a 13 by 6 inch parting space in the front, which is really nice. Sometimes even my human hair wigs that I've gotten don't have that good parting space. So here's the inside of it, and that's a look at the parting space. Now, I usually don't take full advantage of the wigs when they have all of that parting, just because I usually put my wigs on and leave them in that style forever. So it has it if you do want to change your part around. I typically don't, but if you want to, you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap so I can go ahead and get this on. Okay, so here's how we're looking now. I went ahead and put on my wig cap. And like I said, I just crisscrossed my braids in the back, so they're just sitting at the nape of my neck back here. I usually like to use a wig cap that is my skin tone. There's Addie. Can I help you? No. Okay, bye. Okay, sorry about that. She'll probably be back here a couple more million times before this video finishes, but we're gonna try to get through it. So like I was saying, I tried to use a wig cap that is more closely the color of my skin, but this one has like some rips in it, and so I didn't want to use it for the video. So I do have on a little bit of a darker one, and I'm hoping I don't have to apply any adhesive or anything to make this lay down, because I'm really hoping that this is a wig that I can just pop on when I need to get out of the house, and I don't have to like really lay it too much, because I already have a wig that I have to lay to wear it, and so it's not my go-to. So let me go ahead and get some scissors so I can cut off the little card. And I don't know how many inches this wig is. I don't know that it says it on here either. Anyway, it does say that this is a Harlem 125 True Line Illusion Hairline Lace Wig. It is pre-plucked, undetectable illusion hairline, sophisticated finish, and natural density. And it says most natural hairline ever. The ear-to-ear full Swiss lace pre-sewn adjustable straps should fit your hairline perfectly, they say. So we'll see. Here's the picture they've got here. And then here's the one on the front. And I will put the link to this wig in the description box if you're interested in purchasing it. I think my mom got this one off of Amazon, but I will double check that. So it does come with 2 of the adjustable straps back here. One of them is already clipped, but the other one's not. So it does have 2 adjustable straps. I'm just gonna put them on the middle ones so that it's nice and snug. But I have a pretty big head, so I don't think I'll have any issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to like look in the mirror a little bit too so I can see. Trying to see how far I need to pull it down so I don't see the wig cap under there. Okay, so let me grab my brush. Okay, so just by putting it on, I would say that it's probably maybe a 16 inches, maybe 14 to 16 inches is what I would guess is how long it is. Now I do stand about 5'4", so depending on how tall you are, it may hit you differently, but it looks to be about 14 to 16 inches. And it is very snug, like very secure. Like I feel like I could do a cartwheel and it wouldn't go anywhere. And I don't have anything holding it down. So let me get up close so I can show you the hairline. Is that baby hair? Oh, it looks like it does come with a little bit of baby hair too. Okay, so here's the hairline. Now you can see my wig cap under there. I'm gonna have to fix it. I may go ahead and put this one on so that it's more my scalp color. But matter of fact, I think I am. So just a minute. Okay, so here is a look at the hairline. I will say right off the back, I do notice a little bit of shedding. Nothing major, but as I'm like running my hands through it and having to comb it out a little bit, it is shedding a little bit. So we'll see if that continues. Like I said, it's not bad. I think it's normal shedding, but this is a review, so I'm gonna say it. So this is what made me fall in love with the wig in the first place, is the parting space. Like, okay, my parts are real janky right now, but if you can see it, it's got like really, really good parting. So I don't know if I want to do this as a middle part or a side part. The lady on the little card has it in a middle part, but I guess you could kind of do either or because the parts are like movable, and I don't plan on layering this any more than it already is. It already has some layers in it, so I probably won't change it up. You can also just kind of rock the flip over method if you wanted to, and you know, not do a part at all and just kind of, you know, do that whole flip over thing. But yeah, so far I am loving it just as much as when I first saw it. I do believe this is also flat iron safe up to 400 degrees, so that's good. Just in case you want to kind of flat iron it out a little bit. I don't remember how much this wig was. I'll have to put it in the description box. I'll have to ask in the description box. I'll have to ask my mom how much it is, how much it was, but that hairline is so nice. Now I will have to go in and kind of fix here to where you can see the hairline, my head, and where the wig cap starts, but I'll do that in a second. So let me go ahead and cut off the lace, and then I'll be back to show it to you once it's back on. I always get such bad anxiety when I'm cutting the lace. Does anybody else get like that? Like, I hate to cut the lace on my wig. I don't want to mess it up. So you want to cut as close to the hairline without actually cutting the hair on the hairline. What I usually do is I wet my comb a little bit. I know this looks so ratchet. I wet my comb a little bit and just brush the hairs back so that they're out of the way, so that I'm not cutting them, because you do get more shedding if you cut into the wig. So when I first start cutting the lace, I always like to leave a little extra lace on there in the beginning, and then I can always cut it later if it's still too much, but I don't ever like to go too far down because I may need it. If you want to apply any adhesive to your wig, you may want to leave a little bit of lace on there. But you do want to get as close to the hairline as possible. So I'm going to pop this back on. So this is what the wig looks like after I have cut all the lace off. I'm gonna go in off camera and kind of fix up the parting and lay it down, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay, so here's how the wig is looking now. I went ahead and I already applied a little bit of heat to it. It is safe. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I did test that theory and it did well. So I did apply a little bit of heat to it to try and flatten out this little hump that you get at the top of your wigs. It's still not perfect, but I wanted to go ahead and come back to you guys so you could see the finished look. I did make some little baby hairs here, and I will insert some pictures somewhere on the screen of some pictures that I take in it so that you can see it better on there, because I don't know how good the lighting is in here. But overall, I like it. I already knew I was gonna like it because I had already seen the wig, but I think it's definitely a good wig to kind of throw on. I do think that you could throw this one on. You don't need to glue it down. I don't have this one glued down, and it's very secure. It doesn't seem like it's gonna like blow away if the wind blows too hard. It's a good length. Let me show you the back. Hopefully y'all can see. So there's the length in the back. We'll see how it holds up. I did apply a little bit of concealer into my part so that it would match my scalp a little bit better. I do think that this would be a really good wig to do the bald cap method with. If you are not familiar with that, I would definitely check out some videos for the bald cap method. I will see if I can link a really good one down below, but I think that would look really good with this wig since it does have such a nice hairline. Sorry, I'm just like running my fingers through it. Anyway, like I said, I do like this wig. I would recommend it. I will come back and let you know how it's holding up if you guys would like to see an updated video once I've worn it for a while. And like I said, I will have this linked in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.